Okay, and to finish up, we have questions 4 and 5 from Lesson 6, Module 5 for volume. Question 4, a fish tank has a base area of 45 square centimeters and is filled with water to a depth of 12 centimeters. If the height of the tank is 25 centimeters, how much more water will be needed to fill the tank to the brim? Okay, let's break this down a little bit. So our base area, so one level, or the base area, is 45 square centimeters. Or the first layer of cubes would be 45 cubic centimeters. And the water, which I see right there, is filled to a depth of 12 centimeters. Depth is height. If the height of the tank, the total height, is 25 centimeters, how much more water will be needed to fill the tank? So I'm looking to fill the rest of this space. Now, my base area won't change. The base area here is still going to be 45. What I have to understand is that I need the height of the unfilled space. So if the total is 25, total height, and we already have water filled up 12 centimeters, then 13 centimeters is the height that I need to fill with water. Okay, now your base area again, your length and your width have not changed. Volume equals length times width times height. Length times width is your base area, or your area of one level. We know that the base area is 45. The height we're looking for is 13 centimeters. So I'm going to take 45, the area, multiply it by the height of 13, and 45 times 13, set up a quick standard algorithm, is 585 cubic centimeters. We need 585 cubic centimeters more water to fill the tank. And lastly, question 5. 3 rectangular prisms have a combined volume of 518 cubic feet. Prism A has 1/3 the volume of Prism B, and Prisms B and C have equal volume. What is the volume of each prism? So I would originally think of a tape diagram, because all 3 prisms together are going to have a volume of 518 cubic feet. But I'm going to come down to see that they're separate to begin with, because Prism A has 1/3 A has 1/3 the amount of Prism B. So this represents 1/3 of B. C is the exact same as B. B and C have equal volume. A has 1/3 volume of B. So here I've shown all of these together would be 518. You could do it a couple different ways. I could come back up to the top and break it into 7 parts. But regardless of which way I'm looking at this, I should think to myself that I need to do a standard algorithm of 518 total divided into 7 parts. And do a standard algorithm. Each of those parts should be 74. That would give me a total of 518. The volume of each prism, well, A is easy. Volume of A equals 74 feet cubed. The volume of B is 74 times 3. Is 222 cubic feet. And the volume of C is exactly the same, 222 cubic feet. If I put together A, B, and C, add them, 222 plus 222 is 444, plus 74 would give you a total of 518. There's our final answer. The volume of each prism is right there.